Howdy. We went to Home Depot today. Just got back from a supply run. Let me show you what we got. That, my friends, is 1/4-inch birch. That is what is going on my walls. That was a hard decision, I gotta tell you. I wasn't keen on it, but it's taken like, almost a month to make this decision. I mean, we could have done this like, a month ago, but we weren't anywhere close to where we needed to be. But here I is, 1/4-inch birch. It's pretty, it's gorgeous. So this is what's going on my walls and my ceiling. And if you're thinking, well, what else am I going to put on my walls and my ceiling? That. And that alone. I'm going to put some urethane on it and just leave it the way that it is, because it's friggin' gorgeous. So that should tell you something. Walls and ceiling episode is being shot in the next day. And it's going to be a humdinger. That's going to be a hard episode to shoot for a whole bunch of different reasons, but that's what I got going on. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your support. And I look forward to seeing you somewhere on the road. Bye.